You see, it is very relevant, I would say. This pandemic is spreading because of the people meeting with each other, right?
Yes.
People going in the crowds and spreading it. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So this pandemic is all about people. When you are alone, it is not spreading. Correct?
Yes, sure.
When you are maintaining the distance, and there is that sufficient distance is there, and you are taking all the precautions, it is not spreading. Obviously, then anxiety, like you can say it is the back of the mind. अरे यार मैं यहाँ पर आ गया हूँ, मेरे को हो तो नहीं जाएगा. The first thought it comes to the mind. Some people, because everybody is not with the same mindset, but those who are with the same mindset, especially the elderly, I'm saying even the youngsters also overreacting because of the news, as I overfed of news. So it is always better to respect other person. Give time. You see, this is something, pandemic is there only, we have to understand the nature of this pandemic. Nature of pandemic is this only, that it spreads when people are together. It's better to stay away actually as a precaution measure. If people don't want to, those who want to get and they talk to, let it be. But those who don't want to, give them their personal space. Respect their whatever they wanted. The more you will go closer to them, their anxiety will increase. But if you are at a distance, you are doing it, it will be easier on their mind, it will be easier on their behavior, and acceptance level will increase. But if we try to impose ourselves on somebody, anxiety will increase. Like I'll give you a very small example. You are a student, you will understand it better. All the parents are very anxious, like their students, their children, their wards will go back to the college with lots of students. Do you think this anxiety on the part of the parent is unjust?
No, of course it's just.
This is the only thing. This is what I wanted to tell you. It's a very small example. If you take it in a larger picture, then when they go to the office, people are scared to talk to each other. Though there are 2 masks on their face, still people are scared. दूर से जाएंगे, हाथ नहीं मिलाएंगे, करते हैं. But some people, they try to hug and they end up in a, whatever, the hospital or something. It happens. We are seeing around us. Things are happening like this. So please take it in a stride and remember one thing. It is not a permanent. It is not a normal thing. The way it started, it will go also like that. But one has to accept it, and please accept it. The more you accept it 100%, the better it would be. You cannot just take it. It's not two way. थोड़ा सा कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा नहीं करते. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. ये पूरा या तो है या तो नहीं है. So one has to accept it 100%. There is no two ways. Yes, social behavior and social imbalances. So as I said, you see, we are talking about when a person is with the family and the person is alone. When a person is alone, you see, you are going through so many things, nothing to talk and talk or share with anybody else. That makes a lot of difference. There also, when a person is alone, timetable is important. I'm stressing on this like anything, like a record, I'm playing it. Routine is very important. If we are not doing that, it is going to get on us. It is going to get on us. When we are single, there is something where we get some fruitful results. कि अगर मैं physical activity करने जाता हूँ, suppose there are people, I'm stressing on physical activity also. Like people say there is a lockdown, we cannot go out. It's okay. You do at home also. You need only 2x2 square की जगह चाहिए, आपको ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए. On the spot jogging करो half an hour. The more you sweat it out, the more there is some circulation of blood is there. You feel differently altogether. Sitting in front of social media all the time, whatever the situation is happening now, that is end result of whatever he did it earlier. Too much of exposure to the social media, too much on the mobile maybe, and all these things, and the end result is that now he doesn't want to do anything on social media. Physical activity and other activities are equally important, very important actually, I would say that. So get involved. Even if he's not coming, it is better that you people keep talking to him, send him voice messages so that whenever he gets time, he listen to them. Very interesting. Talk about yourself. Why talk about the pandemic all the time? Talk about something else also. You have to bring him back to life. So voice messages is another thing which you can do it. He will come back to it. कि छोटा-छोटा एक message कर दो, अच्छा ठीक है. So people are reacting differently socially. As I said, imbalances, insecurities हो रही हैं because of what we are listening, what we are reading, what we are watching. So all these things are impacting our mind.